Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Tasso, and today we're going to look at a Minecraft installation. My kids love playing Minecraft, and sometimes I join them. It's always good for a parent to join in with their kids' games and see what they're up to, just for security reasons sometimes. But yeah, always good to get yourself involved. Today we discovered that the Metro Tunnel project here in Melbourne launched a Minecraft map. So we wanted to get that onto our iPads. We discovered that there is a site called, I think it's pronounced mcpedal.com, and here you can find all sorts of mods and add-ons and maps that you can install. What we're really looking for is a .mc world file. So we'll go into the build. Well, I'll put the link in the description as well, but it's bigbuild.vic.gov.au, and they have a video, so we can watch it here. I've already started it, but let me just rewind it to the start, and let's go and have a look at that. Now that we've seen the video, we can scroll down further and you can see here, download the latest mini map of Melbourne. There's instructions on how to install it. We want iOS, and it'll give you for every other platform that you need. So let's go and download it here. What happens is that we want the Bedrock edition for iOS. We'll download and it will give you a prompt. Click download and you'll see instantly at the top up here the downloads. So you see I've previously downloaded a couple times, so you'll see that I've previously downloaded a couple times testing it. So let's go find it. It places it in your Files app. So in favorites, under downloads, you'll see it's here. What we want to do is move it. Where we want to move it to, I'll just scroll back up here, is into the Minecraft folder. Find the games folder, the com.mojang folder, and scroll all the way down to Minecraft Worlds. This is where we want to copy it. So we'll copy it in there. So go back and check on my iPad, and you'll see in the Minecraft folder, again, navigate to it. And we'll go to Minecraft Worlds here, and there it is. So if I click on that, it should launch Minecraft. So what it will do is import or update the map to suit. So here we go. There's me, Dad, with my avatar. Let's click on continue, and we'll click on play. So we see Mini Melbourne 2.0 is installed. So if we click on that, it will ask us to make a backup copy, and we'll update and play, because I assume Minecraft has updated recently. So I think we land in a room somewhere. So let's have a look. So how do we get out from here? So here we go. We are in Melbourne. Tram tracks. And let's see where we can go. I believe this is the town hall. Just here. Haven't been in Melbourne for a long time. during lockdown. So here we go. I believe we are coming right up Swanston Street, and we are at the crossroads of Federation Square and Flinders Street Station, the central station of Melbourne. So I reckon we can walk into the station. Yeah, it looks pretty impressive. I'm pretty impressed, actually, that someone's gone to the effort to build this. Yeah, I wonder if you can go down to the train platform. Let's have a good... you can. Get out. That's pretty detailed. So let me just fly out. And so I suppose, yeah, I highly doubt that they would have built a lot of Melbourne, but this is impressive. This is a huge amount of work. My kids and I just muck around building a house, and I wonder if you can actually go into these buildings. I doubt it, but let's just see. Yeah, I think they're just facades, but I'm wondering if there are some buildings in here that we'll discover that you can walk in. Oh, well, here you go. Awesome. And I believe because it's the metro tunnel, you'll have to discover where those new train stations are being built. And from my recollection, I think they are on Swanston Street. Here we go. So here's a station entrance. Let's just walk in. Can't remember what this is called, but yeah, it hasn't. Here we go. Town Hall Station. And we'll go downstairs. Oh, what's happened? Ah, it's loading. Here we go. Been teleported. I wonder who teleported me. I wonder if my son's just jumped on. But yeah, so this is what they've built so far. And you can discover the new train stops. Pretty cool. I think that's all I wanted to show today. So go ahead, download it, explore the city. I think, yeah, really impressive. This is the first of its kind that I've seen that has been created by Minecraft. And, you know, I might be wrong, but, you know, this is pretty cool. All right, that's about it from me. Thanks again for visiting the channel. Like and subscribe so I can continue to grow the channel. Until next time, be well.